Is it? It is tip. So, what is the first letter? T. Yes. So, which letter? T. T. T-I-P. T-I-P. Tip. Okay. What is it? Yes, it is boy. So, what is the first sound of it? B. So, B. Now, which letter? B. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is dog. So, what is the first sound of it? D. So, here it is. D. So, which letter? D. D says D. Dog, dog. D-O-G, dog. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is dot. So, what is the first letter? Yes, it is D. But the sound? D. Yes. So, D. Which letter? D. Dot, dot. D-O-T, dot. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is cord. So, what is the first sound of it? K. So, here it is. K. Soft K. So, the letter is C. Yes. K order cord. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is log. So, what is the first sound of it? L. L. So, here it is. L. L. Okay. L says L. Log. Log. L-O-G. Log. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is box. So, what is the first letter? B. And the sound is B. Okay. This B. B. Box. Box. B-O-X. Box. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is jog. So, what is the first sound of it? J. So, here it is. J. Which letter? J. J says J. Jog, jog. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is hot. So, what is the first sound of it? H. Yes. H. So, the letter is H. H says H. Hot, hot. H-O-T, hot. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is coat. So, what is the first sound of it? K. Soft K. So, K. Soft K. So, here it is C. K-O-T, cot. And C-O-T, cot. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is mop. M-O-P. So, first sound is M. So, M. So, the letter is M. M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is hop. So, what is the first sound of it? H. So, here it is. First letter, H, H. H says H. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, mob. So, what is the first sound of it? M. So, here it is, the letter is M. M. M-O-B, mob. M-O-B, mob. Okay. Next one. What is it? Yes, it is nod. So, what is the first sound of it? N. O and D. What is the first sound? So, the letter is N. Order, nod. N-O-D, nod. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, hog. So, what is the first sound of it? H. Auger, hog. So, the letter is H. Auger, hog. H-O-G, hog. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is fox. So, what is the first sound of it? F. So, here it is. Yes, so letter is F. For ox, fox. F-O-X, fox. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is toy. Toy, toy. So, here it is. T. So, the letter is T. T-O-Y, toy. Toy, toy. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is koi. Koi, koi. Here it is. Sound is K, soft K. Soft K. So, the letter is K, C. C-O-Y, koi. Koi, koi. Now, next one. What is it? Not. N-O-T, not. The sound is N. So, here it is. The letter N. N-O-T, not. 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 Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is God. So, what is the first letter? G. But the sound is G. Okay. So, here it is. G. So, the letter is G. Order, God. G-O-D, God. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is pot. So, the sound is, beginning sound is P. So, here it is. P. So, the letter is P. Pot, pot. P-O-T, pot. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is top. So, the beginning sound is T. Yes, the sound is T and the letter is T. So, top, top. T-O-P, top. Okay, now next one. What is it? Pod. So, what is the first sound of it? P. Yes. So, here it is. P. Which letter? P. Order, pod. P-O-D, pod. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is rod. So, what is the beginning sound of it? R. R. Yes. So, here it is. R. R. Order, rod. R-O-D, rod. Okay, next one. What is it? Pop. So, what is the beginning sound of it? P. Yes. P. So, the letter is P. Pop. Pop. P-O-P. Pop. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is sob. So, what is the first letter? S. And the sound is S. Yes. So, S. Letter is S. S-O-B. Sob. 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 Now, next one. What is it? Rob. So, what is the first sound of it? R. So, R. So the letter is R. Rob, rob. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is tot. T-O-T, tot. So the sound is T. T. So T, otter, tot. Letter is T. T-O-T, tot. T, otter, tot. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is rot. So what is the beginning sound of it? R. 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 The letter is R. Otter, rot. R-O-T, rot. Okay. What is it? Yes, it is bud. So, what is the sound of it? B-D. And the beginning sound? B. So, beginning sound is B. So, the letter is B. Yes. B-U-D, bud. B-D, bud. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is cup. So, what is the beginning sound of it? K. Soft K. So, soft K. So, the letter is C. Yes. K-A-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is bug. So, what is the beginning sound of it? B. So, here B. B. Yes. B-U-G, bug. B-A-G, bug. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is cub. So, what is the first sound of it? K. Here also soft K. So, soft K. Yes, here C is the first letter. So, K-A-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is gun. So, what is the first sound of it? G. Yes. First sound of it is G. So, the letter is G. G-A-N, gun. G-U-N, gun. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is bun. So, what is the beginning sound of it? B. So, here B. Which letter? B. Yes. B-A-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is gum. So, what is the beginning sound of it? G. So, here G. Which letter? G. G-A-M, gum. G-U-M, gum. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is bus. So, what is the first sound of it? B. Yes. So, now B is the first sound. So, the letter is B. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is hut. So, what is the first sound of it? H. So, here H. So, now letter is H. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is jug. So, the beginning sound of it, J. Yes. So, here letter is J. J-A-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is hug. So, what is the first sound of it? H. So, here it is H. The letter is H. Hug, hug. H-U-G, hug. Okay. Now next one. What is it? It is lug. So, what is the first sound of it? L. L. So, here, first letter is L. Lug, lug. L-U-G, lug. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is mug. So, what is the first sound of it? M. So, here, which letter? M. Mug, mug. M-U-G, mug. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is nut. So, what is the first sound of it? N. So, here, letter is N. Nut, nut. N-U-T, nut. Okay, now next one. What is it? It is mud. So, what is the first sound of it? M. Here. So, U and D. What is the first letter? It is M. So, M. Mud, mud. M-U-D, mud. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is pup. So, what is the beginning sound of it? P. So, here, P. So, letter is P. Pup. P-U-P, pup. Now, next one. What is it? It is mum. So, what is the first sound of it? M. So, here, what is the first letter? M. Here. Mum. M-U-M, mum. Now, next one. What is it? It is rug. So, what is the beginning sound of it? R. So, here, R. So, letter is R. Rug. R-U-G, rug. Now, next one. What is it? It is sun. So, what is the first sound of it? S. Yes, it is S. So, here, the letter is S. Sun. S-U-N, sun. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is rub. So, what is the first sound of it? R. Yes, it is R. Rub. R-U-B, rub. Now, next one. What is it? It is some. So, what is the first sound of it? S. So, here, which is the first letter? S. Some. S-U-M, some. Okay, now next one. What is it? Yes, it is run. So, what is the beginning sound of it? R. So, here, which letter? R. So, R-U-N, run. Run. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is tub. So, what is the first sound of it? T. So, here, which letter? T. T says T. Tub. T-U-B, tub. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is none. So, what is the first sound of it? N. So, here, which letter? N. None. And U-N, none. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is tug. So, what is the first sound of it? T. Yes. So, here, which letter? T. T-U-G, tug. Okay.